Looking for smart kitchen solutions? These 24 Amazon finds can help make cooking easier and more efficient. All product links are in description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Atexity Food Kitchen Scale, $28. A smart kitchen tool designed to provide accurate measurements for cooking, baking, and meal prep. It delivers precise weight readings, helps with portion control, improves recipe accuracy, and makes tracking ingredients quick and easy. Its compact design fits neatly on any countertop and stores away with ease. Number 2. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, $15. A convenient kitchen appliance designed to cook eggs quickly and effortlessly. It prepares eggs in multiple styles, saves time during busy mornings, delivers consistent results, and makes breakfast preparation simple and hassle-free. Its compact size takes up very little counter space while adding plenty of convenience. Number 3. The Surativian Chicken Shredder, $22. A practical kitchen tool designed to shred cooked meat quickly and evenly. It saves time compared to manual shredding, delivers consistent results for chicken, pork, and more, reduces effort in meal prep, and makes cooking large batches much easier. Its easy grip design helps you shred meat in seconds with minimal effort. Number 4. The Kongnai Kitchen Funnel Set, 4-pack, $5. A simple yet highly useful kitchen accessory designed to make pouring liquids and ingredients neat and mess-free. It helps transfer oil, spices, and liquids into bottles or containers easily, reduces spills, saves time during meal prep, and improves kitchen organization. Its multiple sizes make it suitable for a wide range of everyday kitchen tasks. Number 5. The ZaSink Drain Strainer, $9. A simple kitchen essential designed to keep your sink clean and clog-free. It catches food scraps and debris before they enter the drain, reduces blockages, makes cleanup easier, and helps maintain a more hygienic kitchen environment. Its easy-fit design makes installation quick and hassle-free for everyday use. Number 6. The Ottstar Jar Opener Bottle Opener, $6. A handy kitchen tool designed to make opening stubborn jars and bottles effortless. It provides a strong grip for better leverage, reduces hand strain, works on multiple lid sizes, and makes everyday kitchen tasks easier and more accessible. Its compact design allows for easy storage in any kitchen drawer, while its non-slip grip ensures secure handling every time. Number 7. The Zulily Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother, $9. A compact kitchen gadget designed to create rich, creamy froth in seconds. It quickly whips milk for coffee, lattes, and cappuccinos, saves time compared to manual frothing, enhances drink quality, and makes cafe-style beverages easy at home. Its lightweight design and easy operation make it perfect for daily use. Number 8. The Sisal Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink, $14. A smart kitchen organizer designed to keep your sink area clean and clutter-free. It holds sponges, brushes, and soap neatly in one place, improves drainage to prevent messes, keeps essentials within easy reach, and helps maintain a more organized sink space. Its rust-resistant design ensures long-lasting use in wet environments. Number 9. The Chef-Aid 5-Pieces Silicone Spatula Set, $9. A versatile kitchen tool set designed for mixing, stirring, and baking with ease. It features heat-resistant silicone heads, safe for non-stick cookware, helps scrape bowls cleanly, reduces food waste, and makes cooking more efficient. Its durable design ensures long-lasting everyday use in any kitchen. Number 10. The ThermoMonster Instant Red Meat Thermometer, $13. A precise cooking tool designed to help you achieve perfect doneness every time. It provides quick temperature readings, reduces guesswork in cooking, helps prevent overcooked or undercooked meals, and improves overall kitchen accuracy. Its easy-to-read display makes monitoring food temperature simple and reliable. Number 11. The Tillich Stainless Steel Measuring Cups, $18. A durable kitchen essential designed for accurate ingredient measurement. It helps ensure perfect recipe results, saves time during baking and cooking, offers long-lasting stainless steel construction, and keeps your kitchen organized with easy-to-stack design. Its clear measurement markings make cooking more precise and convenient. Number 12. The KitchenAid Classic Can Opener, $17. A reliable kitchen tool designed to open cans smoothly and effortlessly. It features a sharp cutting wheel for easy operation, reduces hand strain, works on various can sizes, and makes everyday cooking preparation more convenient. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Number 13. The Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils, $32. A complete utensil set designed to handle everyday cooking tasks with ease. It includes essential tools for stirring, serving, and cooking, protects non-stick cookware from scratches, offers heat-resistant durability, and keeps your kitchen fully equipped for daily meal preparation. Its sleek design adds a modern and organized look to your kitchen setup. Number 14. The Zulily Premium Garlic Press Set, $12. A handy kitchen tool designed to crush garlic quickly and effortlessly. It saves prep time, delivers finely minced garlic without mess, reduces hand strain, and makes cooking more efficient and flavorful. Its sturdy build ensures consistent performance for everyday kitchen use. Number 15. The Bardiano Cooking Spoon, $15. A durable kitchen essential designed for stirring, serving, and mixing with ease. It handles both hot and cold dishes comfortably, provides a strong and reliable grip, works well for everyday cooking tasks, and helps keep meal preparation smooth and efficient. Its heat-resistant material ensures safe use during cooking. Number 16. The Ginseng Fruit Slicer Cup, $7. A smart kitchen tool designed to make cutting fruits quick and mess-free. It slices fruits directly into the cup, reduces prep time, keeps countertops clean, and makes healthy snacking more convenient. Its compact design makes it perfect for daily use at home or on the go. Number 17. The Tovolo Microwave Splatter Cover, $9. A practical kitchen accessory designed to keep your microwave clean while heating food. It prevents splatters inside the microwave, helps retain moisture in food, allows even heating, and makes cleanup faster and easier. Its vented design ensures safe and efficient heating every time. Number 18. The Dice Pro Lemon Zester Cheese Grater, $10. A versatile kitchen tool designed for fine grating and zesting with precision. It easily grates cheese, lemon zest, garlic, and spices, saves prep time, delivers fine and even results, and enhances flavor in your cooking. Its sharp stainless steel blade ensures smooth and effortless grating every time. Number 19. The Spring Chef Swivel Vegetable Peeler, $19. A handy kitchen tool designed to peel fruits and vegetables quickly and efficiently. It features a sharp swivel blade that adjusts easily to different shapes, reduces effort during prep, saves time, and ensures smooth and consistent peeling. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for everyday use. Number 20. The X-Chef Herb Scissors, $8. A smart kitchen tool designed to chop herbs quickly and evenly. It features multiple blades for fast cutting, saves prep time, delivers uniform results, and makes cooking with fresh herbs easier and more efficient. Its compact design makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer. Number 21. The Scene Last Warming Mat, $26. A convenient kitchen appliance designed to keep food warm and ready to serve. It provides consistent gentle heating, helps maintain food temperature for longer, reduces the need for reheating, and makes serving meals easier and more efficient. Its slim design fits easily on any countertop or dining table. Number 22. The Dash Mini Maker Griddle, $12. A compact kitchen appliance designed for quick and easy cooking. It heats up fast, makes pancakes, eggs, and snacks in minutes, saves space in the kitchen, and is perfect for single servings or small meals. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for everyday use. Number 23. The KP Kitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser, $22. A convenient kitchen tool designed to pour batter with precision and control. It helps create evenly sized pancakes, cupcakes, and waffles, reduces mess during pouring, saves time, and makes breakfast preparation more efficient. Its easy squeeze handle ensures smooth and consistent dispensing every time. Number 24, the OXO Good Grip Straw Organizer, $19. A smart organization solution designed to transform messy drawers into clean, organized spaces. It helps separate utensils neatly, maximizes storage space, makes items easy to find, and brings order to your everyday kitchen routine. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.